Good morning. The Indian markets closed on a second consecutive positive session on Friday, but however, the session remained relatively sideways for the two sessions. The markets normally opened on a positive note, but remained thoroughly sideways throughout the session before ending the day again relatively positive. The Friday's rally was mainly led by the frontline anti-counters, which was on account of the positive and surprising results given by Hewlett Packard. The result strongly beat the Wall Street estimates after they were released late Thursday. Tech Mahindra and HCL Tech were the major positive IT counters, which surged in excess of over 3.7% and 2.5% respectively. Infosys and TCS also followed them with over 1.1% positive gains. FIs are once again positive buyers in the cash market segment, while DIS stuck to the normal selling zone. On Friday, the US markets closed on a slightly negative note on the comments that were released by the US Federal Reserve. The US Fed Chief Janet Yellen came out with an unexpected comment that there has been surprisingly positive outcomes in the labor market, which along with stable inflation could lead to rise in the US Fed interest rates hike in the near term. This came as a positive surprise after she hinted that the interest rate would remain steady for a prolonged period of time. This has caused a jittery amongst the global markets, which are trading in a slightly negative zone early morning. Back home, the Reserve Bank of India has expressed concerns over the rising NPAs in the Indian economy. In a statement that came on Friday, the RBI has clarified that around 36% of the overall 4.1% bad assets in the economy were mainly led by frontline six counters, which included infra, metal, mining, chemical, textiles, and engineering. Gross NPAs as a percentage of total assets have risen to 4.1% in 2013-14 as compared to 3.4% in the last year. The Asian markets were trading in a slightly negative zone in the early morning trade, with the Singapore Nifty being down by around 15 points. The Indian markets are expected to be positive for today's session. Major resistance and support levels for Sensex comes around the level of 265.33 and 26402, while major resistance and support levels for Nifty comes around the level of 7943 and 7910 levels. Thank you very much and happy investing.